My name's Alex Fletcher. I got involved in the academy. I've been involved in property for a few years. I got my own buy-to-let property, not portfolio. Got my own buy-to-let, and then I came across Samuel's videos on YouTube. I was watching a few of them. It enticed me how easy it makes it sound and stuff. So I thought, you know what, I'll go to a crash course, see what's what. Done the crash course, loved it. Thought it was amazing. Joined the deal selling course, come to that, loved that all 4 days, and signed up for the full academy on day 2, I think it was. So for me, I joined up because one, the networking alone is worth the money, 100%. The inner circles, even the mentor programs, the mentorships that you get. Tony was one of the guys that got me to come in, to be honest, because every time I spoke to him, he was like, very helpful. Every question I had, he answered. He always helped. Tyrone's another one who actually does it in my area, so I know it can work. Do you know what I mean? So that's why I think that's the reason I signed up. I thought, you know what, it can work, especially where I am as well in Birmingham. Like, you can see that a lot of people are doing it there. All the WhatsApp groups that I'm in with all the inner circle leaders and stuff, and there's a lot of people around you that are making a lot of money that bring you up. Do you know what I mean? No one puts you down here. Like, they always bring you up. It's nice.
That's great. So tell me if you someone who's just beginning, wanted to get into property, why is this the place for them to be?
Again, the network, the mentoring, the education. Like, the courses online, never mind actually coming in person, the course online is so detailed. If you can absorb it that way, you'll smash it in property. If you can't absorb it that way, you've got the live events that you come to where, again, they're more and more detail. You can ask questions, you can set up mentoring calls whenever you need it. Again, the networking as well. So when you go to the inner circles, if you've got any questions, you can ask any of the leaders there that are all doing it, any of the people that are actually doing it, or not just the leaders. So there's I think 1,700 members or something, or more than that. So you got a lot of people to reach out to that are in the same position as you.
Yeah. Final question. When you see people, when you go to the events and you see people next to you kind of on the phone and land the deal,
Yeah.
how does that make you feel?
Inspired. No, I want to get out there. You feel energized. So when you go to any of the networking events here, there's a lot of energy. And it's weird when you go back home to a different vibe, and when you go to work as your normal job, it's a complete different vibe. So like, when you come to these events, it lifts you up massively, and you feel like this is what you want to do, this is what you want to be a part of, and get out there and do that sort of thing. It's good though. I've enjoyed every second of it so far. It's well worth the money, 100%.